Okay, so we're still looking at this GCSE level of refraction and refractive index. So if we're given the speeds of light, that's a straightforward calculation, the ratio of the speed of light. So the speed of light in a vacuum divided by the speed of light, in this case water, and we can find the refractive index. 1.3 sounds about right. Question 2. So we've got this expression, we need to make sin I the subject. So take sin r from the bottom to the top. So n multiplied by sin r, 1.5 times by sine of 23. And then remember, we're trying to find the angle of incidence, so we need to find sine to the minus 1, and we get 35.9. Again, we'd expect that to be larger than the angle of refraction, so that sounds about right. Okay, another variation, similar to the previous one. So, oh no, we're trying to find sin r now, excuse me. So make sin r the subject, so sin r is equal to sin I divided by n. And be careful, it's not I over n all sine, it's sin I first of all. So the sine of 15, press equals, divided by, we're told it's diamond, and hopefully we knew that from before, 2.4. And then we're trying to find the refractive angle of refraction, so we need to find sine to the minus 1, and we should get 6.2, again, which is less than 15, which is what we'd expect to see. Then you might get slightly more complex or contrived scenarios like this one. So if you are given a diagram, then that will be helpful, but if not, then it's worthwhile drawing a little sketch of what's happening. So our angle of incidence is 15, so the first thing we need to do is to find the angle of refraction, very similar to previous. So it's sine to the minus 1 of sine 15 divided by 1.3. So slightly misleading layout here. Find sine 15 first, press equals, then divide by 1.3, and then sine to the minus 1. It comes out as 11.4, so that sounds about right. Then you might need to apply a little bit of basic understanding of angles. So we've got a right angled triangle here. So that is going to be 90, and we know that the angles inside a triangle add up to 180. So if we're trying to find this angle down here, then it's going to be 180, take away 90, take away 11.4, and 78.6 will be our answer. So bear in mind, especially for A level, then we need to be able to work out missing angles and maybe understand angles in a triangle and so on.